Yeah, I mean, I think that my previous work experience really helped me in this project. Um, as a, I say machinist, but I was like a fabricator. So I was working a small job shop where we do up prototypes of parts. So there's a lot of thinking, not just around like, how do I make this thing, but also like, here's a motor and like, how do I think about where do I buy it? Where, like, how does it get rated? Like what do I have to think about when I buy it? And like, what connections do I have to do? I also like work on my own stuff and like motorcycles and stuff like that. So like thinking about like how do the components come together, I think was really important. Some engineering fields can be more sort of like focused on one specific aspect of the system. So thinking more holistically was really helpful and important for, you know, bringing it to a real like a real device. And I think that having, you know, experience with modeling, you know, really extensive experience with 3D modeling and with like manufacturing, different manufacturing techniques and design, how, you know, you design something and then it turns into a physical object, helped me both in designing the ventilator as well as sort of, yeah, thinking about sort of intentionality and like how components were placed, like what I needed to think about, what was important.
Okay.
Oh, and then for the future, I have already totally pilfered the sprint model and multiple aspects of like, there's like a card PowerPoint slide or something, not PowerPoint, whatever, Google Slides that's used for like ideation. It's like a note card, like a Post-it whiteboard sort of thing. I've stolen that. I've stolen aspects of the sprint model. I've used this as a model to try to work on a larger remote project with the student researchers that I was working with this summer. To sort of mixed success, but it's sort of different when you're trying to do something in 1 month and you have like a whole big team.